How to join expired Telegram link. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be showing you how you can join an expired Telegram link if you're trying to join a Telegram group or channel but the link has expired. So unfortunately there's not much you can do directly to join through the expired link. However, there are some alternatives solutions that you can do to join the group or channel. So the first thing first you can do is contact the admin of the Telegram group of the channel and ask them for a new invite link directly. If you don't know who the admin is, you can try reaching out. And if you don't know who the admin is, you can try reaching out to someone who is already a member or check the group description for contact details. So sometimes the expired links are shared for temporary or private groups. So if it is a public group, there's a chance that you may still be able to find it directly through the link. So you may just go ahead and search for the group or the channel name directly in the Telegram app. Simply tap on the search bar at the top right corner and type in the group or channel name to see if it is still available. And also ensure that the group is not set to private. If it's private, you will need a fresh invite link. And the next thing is, if you can't join a particular group due to the expired link, you can look for other related groups or channels of the same topic, and you can search for Telegram or in directories like telegram.group.com or other group sharing websites to find those kind of links. And that is it. Those are the only method we can apply in order to access the groups whose links are expired. So follow up the process and you should be able to do that. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.